Okay, so 8-bit farm is coming live. Maybe when you watch this video is live, it depends when you watch this video. And let me explain you what is this. It's not ROI DAP. That's the good stuff, all right? Because I got not allergic, but I got burned too many times to ROI DAP. Some of them are great if you're early and all that stuff, but most of them 95% are just Ponzi-nomics. So this guy is trying to do something else, and that's the good stuff. That's why I'm doing this video, and also I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. That's what it says in English. Okay, so we all know here Scott the Investor. Okay, so he's amazing YouTuber. So he is creating these ones, he and his team. So they already, I did a couple of AMAs with him. They already have 1 or 2 projects. I highly suggest go and watch this video. His video is like around 20 minutes. Go and watch it. Just watch it at 1.5 speed. And he explained everything how it's going to work. So what they're saying is, by the way, well done to everybody who create the website. It's so simple and amazing. I'm just going to change the background if I can. I don't like dark colors. I like a little bit more colorful. Colorful. All right, so check this out. So what they're doing is simple. They're taking the money and they going and farming in liquidity, in concentrate liquidity pool. So that's what I'm doing. However, they're doing this for you. Now, the bad stuff is you need to stack your money for 50 days, 150 days, and 250 days. So that's what I'm going to do, 250 days. Why? Because I'm going to get 0.4% per day. And also, you can unstake if you have emergency. I think you pay some penalty for that. Now, before we go explain and before we put some money there, please understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. This is crypto and you can lose everything, okay? Make sure you understand that. Don't come to me if something happened or if you lose money, because you'll grow up. So take responsibility for your own action. So we like Scott and we're going to put some money here, okay? Now, they playing with yield farming and I'm playing that a lot and I know they can earn that. It depends. Should be easy to earn 0.2 and 0.3. 0.4 also can be easy. So what they're doing is there are few people. So Scott and some of the people are in America, some of them are here in the UK. So because of the time difference, they can pretty much manage the farms 24/7. If you don't know how concentrate liquidity pools work, go and watch some of my video what I did like a couple of weeks ago. It says yield farming explained. Simple as that, and I explain everything. So what you need to do, you need to have a wallet. Make sure you use a Ledger or any hardware wallet. You go there, you stake your money, and simple as that. You choose which one you want. Now is the pre-sale. So pretty much now is the staking. The farm is not live yet. When I'm doing this video, when you watch this video, it's going to be posted in 1 or 2 days, maybe will be live. Now, total deposit only 20,000 bucks because this was just announced yesterday. So I'm doing very early the video and this is going to be posted later. Affiliate links doesn't work like that. I think from the farm, from the money we're going to get from the because they're going to earn a little bit extra money and they will take the difference for them and they'll pay the rest for us. So the difference from the difference we're going to take, they'll take some small amount of money or any kind of amount of money and going to give to the affiliate, something like that. So how it's working is you can go here, you choose the farm, choose how many days, you put your USDT on Binance chain, and simple as that. If you go to my farms here, you will see your farms, okay? You will see how many farms you have, how many funds available, cash out, compound, emergency withdrawal, and you can compound, and that's the good stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. So my goal is probably I'm going to put today whatever I have in my wallet around 450, 500 bucks, and my goal is to up to 1,000 bucks in the next 1 or 2, 3 weeks time. Why? Because for me, again, that's my personal opinion, this will be like another passive income, and if I need the money, I will do emergency window. I'm not sure how many they're going to take, so let's see. There will fee of 33%, okay? So make sure you understand that. So you know, after a month or 2 months you need the money, well, you can pretty much do ROI, not ROI, but you can get out completely free, because if they earning 0.4% a day over a month is around 12%, maybe with compounding is coming around 13-14%, so you can emergency withdraw easy as that. Okay, so next thing, Next thing you need to understand that if you want to gift your stake, you can just go and add their address. You can make a stake and just gift to them. Make sure once you gift to their stake, it's like you're sending, it's like NFT basically. That's how I understand. Once you send, you cannot get it back. Simple as that. You're gifting. Now affiliate, that's how it's working. First, third, and fourth place. So going to have some money. Okay. Now this is more info. Here they explain everything. It's very simple. So hire farmers. How it's working, okay? You as the same what I explained, manage farms. Here you will see manage your farms. You can go and see like compound or claim. You can do every single day right here. A gifting stake, that's just what I mentioned. This is the LP, and this is very interesting. So that's what they're saying is the liquid position and health management LPHM system at 8-bit farm, okay, is an advanced liquidity manager using a sophisticated in-house developer algorithm to maintain balance in the liquidity pool and minimize permanent loss in decentralized finance. So I spoke with Scott, and he says they've been playing with months and months and months with concentrated liquidity pools, and they've been able to manage over 0.4, 0.5, I don't know, maybe sometimes more, sometimes less. He mentioned sometimes over 1% a day, sometimes less than that, sometimes zero. So overall is around 1 or maybe less. That's how I understand. Again, maybe we can get him on some AMA in the near future, and he can explain this more in details. But watch his video, who is 20 minutes. He explained everything there. Okay, so let's go and do some stakes. So make sure you connect. Okay, make sure you connect. There we go. Once you connect, I'm using Rabi. Okay, you just go invest. I'm going to put here, and I have in my wallet around 400 and some 600 bucks. So I'm going to put here 501. All right, I'm going to put hire farmers. Amount to invest 500. Estimate daily rewards $2. Estimating 250 days return 1000. Or remember, once your stake is over 250 days, you take your money out. Okay, I have really understand the risk that the more, and I'm happy to invest. There we go. And you go hire farmers. Okay, so let's go hire farmers. And I'm using Ledger. All right, simple as that. And let's see how it's going to work. Let's see what's going to show, because I'm doing this live and I don't know how it's working, to be honest. I'm just waiting, I guess. Oh, so first one is approved, then it's put there. Okay, so let's see and confirm. I think I have some BNB, by the way, for the fees. I hope. Make sure you have some BNB for the fees. You need that. Okay, so that's about it. You just go there, you put, and you forget it. Okay, and it should come here, I guess. However, 40 total deposit 42,000. It was 20, I think. Oh, there we go. So lock 250 days, 500 value, and daily I have 0.4. So this is how many stakes. So if you compound, it's coming like a new stake. So here you will see in like 10 days time, 15 days time, if I do a second video, you will see here is coming like a new stake, new stake, new stake, new stake. All right, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. The link will be down in the description. God bless you all. Make sure you leave a comment so you can come for the giveaways, and see you in the next one.